Okay, so once you get the screw out, it has this little slot right here, and it's just a tab. So what I did is, you see them? You slide in there and you push the tab down, and it comes out. And there's another one over here. See the little, it's hard for me to see. See, where's it? There we go. See, that's it for that. There we go. Okay, so we're in. Now we're just gonna unplug these and then plug in the new one. And for these ones too, they're kind of hard. You just gotta like, kind of yank on them, but obviously you don't want to mess them up. They're on there pretty damn tight though. Push the tab in. Come on. You wanna wiggle it side to side. Gotta give it a good yank, and I believe this one. This one you can push the little tab. Oh. Hold on, I got a flat screwdriver here somewhere. Where's it? I think this one has like a little tab for the screwdriver down here. You can push it and lift it up. Okay. Here we go. There we go. And that's it. And then the other one's for the light. So obviously we're just gonna plug this in, and this is for the little light. So make it stay, and then we're just gonna plug it in, put it back. Actually, I'm gonna leave it here, and then I'm gonna try to program it. I'll show you that too, and then hopefully it works. And if not, well, at least we got a video of how to replace this. So unfortunately, it didn't work. The computer, it needs to be programmed. I kind of figured, but I figured I'd give it a shot anyways, and it would turn on. But the same thing, it wasn't reading the gas gauge, the temperature gauge. Wasn't coming out of drive, the key was getting stuck, same exact thing. And I noticed that the security light would keep flashing once I got it off, and I was looking online, they were saying because it wasn't reading the computer. So I think I have a programmer that I could program with. It's an OBD2, it's a diagnostic tool. I had bought one a while back from Amazon, and it plugs into the laptop, so I need to look for it and find it, and I'll make another video about that. And if not, then I might take it to the dealership. But first we're gonna give it a try, and I found one on Amazon, if not, for like 150 bucks that should program it. I found online that it will supposedly, so we'll see, and I'll let you guys know.